Kansas City, it's time again for our monthly market housing update. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's update from Shawnee Mission Park. And you can just feel the excitement in the air with the beaches getting ready to open this weekend, marinas are opening, and people feel like summer is here. Well, when we look at the housing market in comparison of April 2023 to 2022, we see 18.6% less homes sold year to date. As we look at price increases, there has been an overall price increase of 1.9% for Kansas City, and Johnson County a 4.6% increase. When we look at inventory, we are seeing a big difference in the number of homes for sale versus the number of buyers looking. So right now, when you're looking to buy or sell, it is even more important to make sure the realtor that you're working with has a strong knowledge of the location that you are buying or selling in. As always, if you have any questions or friends and family have questions, we are more than happy to assist with just a conversation or specific details in making sure this market matches reaching your real estate goals. Hope to talk with you soon, and until then, have a fabulous start to summer.